The marinator sleeping with suppliers. Wow, what time we got? You know what? That's a good place to end it. Right there. This, I think, was a great ethics seminar. She has given us a lot of wonderful things to think about. Right, what is wrong, who's to say, really, in the end? I mean, because it is unknowable. But let's give her a round of applause. Holly, everybody. Holly, get back to work. Great job. I am truly impressed that you really pulled that one out. Classic meeting. We should celebrate.
Michael, there's some serious issues with Meredith.
Oh.
I mean, all of you have done things I would have done myself, but Meredith's actions are really over the line.
Yeah.